Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set astronomy wallpaper on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to set astronomy wallpaper, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your Play Store app and here just go for search and you just have to search for a specific app which is Earth and Moon 3D live wallpapers. I have already searched. You must have to search for this and install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. You must have to wait for its installation, then we'll have a simple setup. Once the app has been installed, you must have to open the app. Just tap on open and here just tap on next, then select next and here just allow some permissions. And after that you must have to select set live wallpaper and here just get the preview of the wallpaper which you have. First it will download. Here you can see it's loading. Just wait for that, or after that you can easily take a preview of your wallpaper. Here you can see now tap on set wallpaper, then tap on home screen. As I'm going to set just only on home screen, you can just select this for both home screen and lock screen if you want. Here first it will take loading and after that you can easily use live wallpaper on your home screen. So you just have to wait for its loading. Once the loading has been completed, you can easily explore the 3D version of your astronomy wallpaper. So that's how you can easily set astronomy wallpaper on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.